Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove camera watermark in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, open camera and take a picture and open the picture that you took and see in the bottom left side if there is any watermark, it will be printed there. Okay, yes, watermark is available in this photo. See here. Watermark is available. So if you want to turn off this watermark, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the camera and go to camera settings here and go to watermark here and turn off this button watermark so that no watermark will be appearing hereafter if you take photo through camera of your phone. Okay, here I would like to take a photo and open the photo that you took. And see in the bottom left side there is no watermark. Such watermark is not visible. So because you have turned off watermark option, so hereafter if you are taking photos from your phone, there will be no watermark printed. In this way you can easily remove camera watermark in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.